Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to insert an interactive map into your Power App Canvas app. Interactive maps help you visualize location-based data directly inside your app. You can display multiple location, track address, show office branches, delivery points, customer locations, and much more. One of the biggest benefit of using the map control is that it makes your app more interactive and user-friendly because user can zoom, pan and explore location visually instead of reading plain data in a table. So let's get started. So I have got my data stored in Excel. So let me open that up. This is the data I have already added here. Now, if you want to use your own data, just make sure that you have valid longitude and latitude values. And obviously, you should also have the name or address column that you want to display on the map. Without proper latitude and longitude value, the map won't be able to plot your location correctly. Now, very importantly, you need to format this data as a table. So simply select your data, then go to the Home tab and click on Format as a table. It does not matter which table style you select. I will just choose one of these. Make sure that the correct data range is selected. I already have headers in my Excel sheet like name, longitude and latitude. So I will keep my table as header checked and click on OK. Now simply save this file. I am going to rename mine as data and save as desktop. This helps us easily identify the table later inside Power App. Now save the file. And now let's move back to the Power Apps. So this is a blank canvas app inside Power Apps. And in this screen, we will insert the map control. I already have some other data sources connected in the app for testing purposes. But now let's connect the new Excel workbook that we just created. Over here on the left hand side, open the data section. Now click on add data and here you want to search for the Excel connector. So simply type Excel in the search bar, then select import from Excel. After that, choose the Excel file that you created earlier and then click on open. Now over here on the right hand side, you will see the available table from Excel and then click on connect. Now the Excel data source is connected successfully. This data will basically provide the location or address point that we want to display on the map. So currently the map control is visible and working, but we still need to connect it with our Excel data. To do that, select the map control. Then over here on the right hand side, in the properties panel, find the locations and select the data table we import from Excel. Now we need to map the Excel column with the map properties. The first property is items label. This property defines what text should appear for each location maker. Back in Excel, my column's name was name. Here I will type name. Now let's configure the latitude values. Find the item latitude property. And in Excel, my column was name latitude. So I will set the property to latitude. Now we are starting to see the location getting mapped correctly. Next we need to configure the longitude values. find the item's longitude property, and my Excel column name was longitude. So I will type longitude. Now remove this double quote, and now the map is fully connected with the Excel data. There are also additionally properties available for things like marks, color, icon, style, and other customization. But for this video, we are focusing only the basic step of the interactive map control. Now let's view the app. And here you can see all the different location being pulled directly from Excel and displayed on the map. And obviously, if your Excel file contain location from different parts of the world, those will also appear correctly as long as the latitude and longitude values are valid. So in this video, we covered how to insert an interactive map into your Power App, Canvas app using Excel data. Thanks for watching.